In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted files in Wrike. So if you've accidentally deleted a file in Wrike, don't panic. Most deleted items can be recovered quickly if you know where to look. So here's how to restore them step by step. Now what you need to do is to open Wrike, and next, click on your profile at the top left. Now scroll down and look for Recycle Bin. Tap on it. So this is where removed files are restored temporarily. Now you can browse or use the search bar and look for your file name or project, and files stay here for a limited time only. So once you found it, right click on it, scroll down and select restore. So tap on restore to confirm, and it will return to its original location. Now, deleted files are usually kept for 30 days, and after that, they may permanently removed. So some restores may require admin access. You can ask, so if you can't find it, you can ask your account admin, you can check activity stream or history, or you can contact Wrike support if needed. And that's basically it. You can quickly recover deleted files in Wrike as long as you act in time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.